So now let us start with the environmental impact of electric vehicles. So, but before that, let us begin electric vehicles and their battery requirement. What is making gasoline more powerful energy storage system when it comes to automobile? So you can see that we have a brief description about different energy storage system that we are using in vehicle. So we have gasoline, diesel, gas, coal, hydrogen, and lithium ion. If you look at the specific energy and the energy density, you can see that the specific energy and energy density of lithium ion batteries have a much lower value. It is about 76 times lower in specific energy and 23 times lower in energy density. This means EV batteries must be much larger and heavier to store enough energy. So while EVs are cleaner at the tailpipe, their battery size and weight are the major design challenges. So next, coming to the environmental impact of internal combustion engine. Now let us understand how IC vehicles release carbon dioxide. When gasoline or diesel is burned in an engine, it reacts with oxygen to produce energy. But as a byproduct, produces carbon dioxide, mainly carbon dioxide. If you look at the chemical equation here for the petrol and diesel combustion, for petrol, one molecule of octane reacts with the oxygen to produce 8 molecules of carbon dioxide and 9 molecules of water. So for every liter of gasoline burned, about 2.39 kgs of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, which is a big environmental concern because CO2 is a greenhouse gas. It traps heat in Earth's atmosphere and contributes to global warming. So even though IC vehicle provide us better power and mobility, they come with a significant carbon footprint. The next one is particulate matter. So coming to this, let us talk about how internal combustion engines also release particulate matter. So here, these are particulate matters are nothing but small, tiny particles released from the combustion. They are too small for our lungs to filter. So lungs cannot filter it out. So it directly enters our heart, lungs, and brain side. The diesel engines especially emit more particulate matter than the gasoline. These particles, especially those smaller than 2.5 micrometer, are dangerous. They can enter the lungs bloodstream, which causes serious health issues. The next one, IC vehicle also produces other harmful gases, for example, carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous and it comes from incomplete combustion. Next one is carbon dioxide, as we have seen in the previous slide. It is a major greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere. The last one is nitrous oxide and methane, which also contribute to global warming. Around 37 billion metric tons of CO2 are released globally from fossil fuels. This is a serious contributor to climate change. Next one, with respect to more pollutants include nitrogen oxides, both NO and NO2, and similarly volatile organic compounds. These cause smoke and ground level ozone, which are harmful when inhaled. We can trigger asthma, reduce lung function, and also irritate eyes. Some byproducts like peroxyacrylnitrates, that is PAN, even damage the vegetation. These emissions are why urban air quality is often poor around traffic heavy areas. And the last one is greenhouse gases. The last gases is total hydrocarbons, which are unburned fuel and chemical that worsen the population. They include alcohol, aldehydes, which can be toxic. These emissions have serious impact on public health, so reducing them is a major area of research. This is why the shift to electric, hybrid, and fuel cell electric vehicle is important as it helps to reduce both local as well as global pollution. In the next video, we'll look at the architecture of battery electric vehicle, IC based vehicle, as well as fuel cell based vehicle.